Hello, welcome to another exciting edition on Maths with Chris. And in this lesson, we are looking at a very interesting topic, which is latitude and longitude. Latitude and longitude. We just want to begin the series of teaching on latitude and longitude. So, what are lines of latitude and longitude? Now, from the Earth, you recall that the Earth is a sphere. Now, on this Earth that is a sphere, the line divides the Earth into two equal halves like this. This line, we call it the equator. That's the line that divides the Earth into two equal halves like this, the upper part and the lower part. Now, any line that is drawn from this side to this side is what referred to as lines of latitude. You recall that this is your west, east. Then you have this north and south. So any line that runs from this south pole, this west pole, to the east pole, to the east side like this, are what referred to as lines of latitude. Lines of latitude. These are lines of latitude. These are lines that runs from the west to the east side. We refer to them as lines of latitude. Now also, this line divide the Earth into two equal halves, this side and this side. Now the first one is what referred to as meridian. This first line that divide the Earth into two equal halves, this and this, we call it the meridian, because it passed through a point in London that is called Greenwich. So they refer to it as Greenwich meridian. So you have many of them. The other one can pass like this from the back to this side, then it can be completed like this. So any line that runs from the north to the south poles in this direction is what referred to as lines of longitude. So this is our equator. This is our Greenwich meridian. Greenwich meridian. Then this is latitude. This is latitude. This is also another latitude. This is another latitude. So those are latitude. While this one is our meridian or longitude. So this is longitude. The first one is the Greenwich meridian. So any other one aside that, we refer to them as meridian. This is our longitude or meridian. So that's our longitude or meridian. So this is how you get your longitude and latitude. They are imaginary lines on the Earth's surface that either runs from the west to the east or from the north to the south. The ones that run from the west side to the east side are referred to as lines of latitude, while the ones that run from the north to the south poles are referred to as lines of longitude. And your lines of longitude are measured from a 0 degree center to 180 degree east and 180 degree west. While the lines of latitude are measured from 0 degree to 90 degrees south and 90 degree north. So the lines of longitude run from 0 to 180 degree west, and 0 to 180 degree, 0 to 180 degree east, and 0 to 180 degree west. While the lines of latitude are measured from 0 to 180 degree north, from 0 to 180 degrees south. So all the lines of latitude down below the equator are referred to as latitude south. All the latitude from below the equator, from this side to this side, are referred to as latitude south. While all the latitude from the equator and above it are referred to as latitude north. All the latitude above the equator are referred to as latitude north. Now, the same thing when it comes to longitude. All the longitude to this your right hand side are referred to as longitude east. All the longitude to the right hand side are referred to as longitude east, while all the longitude to the left hand side are referred to as longitude west. And the lines of longitude and latitude are used to locate points on the Earth's surface, because each surface or each place on the Earth's surface have lines of latitude and longitude. For you to locate a point on the equator, there must be lines of latitude and longitude. So every places on Earth have their lines of longitude and latitude. So bring out in the next episode of our teaching, we look at lines of longitude and latitude, how they are used to locate points on the Earth's surface.